Earth Dance is an organic farm school based here in Ferguson, Missouri, on the oldest organic farm west of the Mississippi. This was a treasure to have 14 acres of productive farmland in the middle of a community, and especially a community that really needs access to healthy food. We sell at the Ferguson Farmers Market, we donate to local food pantries. We turned a long-time dream of ours into a reality this past year by converting this old tool shed into an on-farm, pay-what-you-can farm stand. It's not a busy grocery store, it's just a simple place where you can meet the farmer. Since the farm stand opened in July of 2021, we have served hundreds of families. 36% are coming from here in Ferguson. We take really great pride in having the freshest produce possible, and you can't do that without refrigeration. By True Refrigeration donating this cooler to Earth Dance, we are able to keep the produce grown right over here as fresh as possible, keeping it at just the right temperature so that it is as nutritious as possible when it gets to our customers' plates.